shit, bitch, I just got out. Still rapping, slapping kittens and grabbing my cock. I'm the artist, the golf artist, the hard as a rock. You gon' fuck around and make me knock your fruit juice loose. Banana, you wanna...
Faster.
So Rodrigo, we are going out to the swimming pool, right?
Yeah, that's right. You wanna go this way?
So yeah, we arrived at the place. It's right here. It's painful.
I'm not taking it serious.
What's the point to smoke after swimming pool?
I have no words. There's no point actually.
Oh, I love her. How old is she? 27. Human years. Human years. They live to be nearly 100. Yes, I have a friend who inherited one from my grandfather. I also inherited one, which is why I have her. From my grandfather who inherited it from his great aunt. Oh my goodness! And it lived with me. I want to take a picture on the windowsill.
Is it laughing?
Outside. Yes, she's laughing.
You're gorgeous, Esmeralda. What a fabulous name.
They're as intelligent as a 3 to 5 year old child. They know exactly what's happening. I said to her a moment ago, post, because we've just been to the post box. She got very excited to come out to the post.
Does she like going outside?
She loves to go.
And does she fly around everywhere?
Yeah, we don't want her going away.
Esmeralda, well, how lovely to meet her.
Thank you so
We'll wait for
much.
her again.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Okay.
Okay.
That's it.
Ella!
I'm so skinny in comparison with him.
¿Qué estáis haciendo?
No, nada.
Nada, me cago en la puta.
¿Ah?
Me cago en la puta. ¿Qué te
Se
da
caga.
comentario?
So basically today it's my last day. Don't feel like this. You are a bad like cameraman.
Stop.
Yeah. Second, cut. Yeah, cut.
Sí.
Ya.
¿Entiendes
Si
todo?
no te hablo en italiano, ¿entiendes algo?
Ese yo hablo español, entiendo todo.
Ya.
She thinks she knows Spanish.
¡Coño!
Coño. Come on, Chichi, you wanna beer with me to drink? Like, let's do it. Look.
Oh my god!
Ya está. No sé quién es que me tira siempre la chapa.
No.
Let's see, guys. This was my last day in kitchen W8. Chichi, give me my beer, please. I think it's fine, yeah? Oh, look at this. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. I'm gonna miss this place.
Yeah, of course.
Vamos, they're not waiting for us.
No?
Just you are waiting for me, that's it. Why these people are so shy of camera? They're just running out. Look, Spanish team here. Huh? Yeah, take part of my vlog, please.
Last day in kitchen W8, but no in vlog. Nice to meet you. Pleasure. I'm Angel.
It was a pleasure, yeah?
A Spanish gypsy boy.
It was a pleasure to work with you as well, mate.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey, of course.
Okay, let's not forget about Georgia. Georgia has very good talent. Yes, this one of course. Let's bet. Let's bet for what? Let's bet for what? It's important for what? 1 second.
Igor! No, Igor!
No, she doesn't want 1 second. That's it.
I'm a lesbian.
This is lesbian. No, she doesn't.
I'm lesbian. I'm lesbian.
So, tell me what you want. 100 pounds. 100 pounds.
Fuck no, 5 pounds.
5 pounds.
5 pounds. 50 pounds.
She's cheap.
5 pounds.
It's okay, 5 pounds is alright. 5 pounds. 5 pounds, it's not worth to bet for 5 pounds.
No, 5 no.
One beer.
To bet maybe 1 cent.
No, stop it. One cosmopolitan for me.
I don't drink.
Yes.
Okay, so let's be then 10 pounds. Okay?
No, 5.
15, 20,
7.
20, 20, 20.
30 pounds.
30 pounds.
7.
7 pounds.
Shut up, 7.
I understand you are Italian, but don't be gypsy.
I'm
And let me
gypsy.
10, okay?
No. 10.
Come on.
10.
People are waiting.
20 pounds.
No.
10 pounds.
No.
10 pounds.
10 pounds.
10 pounds. Okay, Robbie, 10 pounds. Robbie, can you... Huh? So she's saying I will smoke weed one day and we bet for that, 10 pounds. So,
You smoke or?
yeah, I didn't smoke. She said one day I will smoke weed. So she will bet for that. So we bet for that.
You smoke?
Yes, I'm paying 10 pounds.
And one cosmopolitan.
I want cosmopolitan. You lost.